Hi, everyone. My name is Kia Jacqueline, Community Manager for the SA Trade Desk. It was recently announced that a number of South African businesses have been selected for the prestigious Climate Finance Accelerator, which is a global technical assistance program funded by the UK government to directly support climate projects to access finance. This is an incredibly topical issue for South Africa as we are profiling some of the businesses participating in the Climate Finance Accelerator program. Today, I'm joined by Karen Delport from Novamoto to talk with us on the Climate Finance Accelerator. Thank you for joining us today, Karen. Before we get started, can you tell us a bit about yourself and what your business does?
At Nova, we're building an energy business. We believe our business should enable the transition to clean mobility. In the case of electric vehicles, they are only as effective as the energy ecosystem that supports them. So we focused on connecting clean energy and charging infrastructure in the sense of swap stations and fast chargers and sustainability or sustainable transport solution. Basically, our mission is to help South Africa to reduce emissions, lower transport costs, and of course, to build a cleaner and a more resilient economy. Yeah, that's what we do.
And can you tell us a bit about what you're looking to solve for?
Basically, I understood that the industry of last mile deliveries is growing, and we've seen a lot of two-wheel motorbikes entering this arena. ICE motorbikes, internal combustion engine motorbikes. And basically what we want to solve is to try and swap those bikes and becoming green and to lower pollution, and by introducing electric motorbikes with battery swap capability.
How would you describe the state of the green economy in South Africa right now? Are we at a turning point, or is progress still frustratingly slow?
We're definitely at a turning point. I think the combination of South Africans' our own energy challenge and the growing global uncertainty, specifically what's happening now, has made one thing very clear. Countries that can produce more of their own clean energy will be far more resilient and more competitive. Renewable energy is no longer just about reducing emissions. It's also about energy security, growing the economy, long-term stability. That's why I believe the momentum behind South Africa's green economy is stronger today, and it's been stronger, since it's ever been.
What would it take for South Africa to genuinely become a renewable energy leader on the African continent?
I think we already have world-class renewable resources in our country. We have technical expertise and we have a very sophisticated financial sector. If you just look out, I'm looking out of my window now, we have some of the best solar and wind resources in the world. To become a true leader, I think we need to have policy certainty, which we don't have. Project approvals takes extremely long, so if that could happen faster. And of course, investment in the grid infrastructure. If those pieces come together, South Africa can lead the continent.
Where do you see the biggest untapped opportunities in South Africa's renewable energy sector right now?
I think the biggest opportunities sit at the intersection of energy, mobility, and technology. So electrified transport, energy storage, charging infrastructure, and smart energy management. Those solutions all have enormous growth potential. There are areas where South Africa can solve local challenges, or these are the areas where we can solve local challenges while we are building a global competitive business as well.
What made you apply to the Climate Finance Accelerator? What were you hoping it could do for your business?
So we applied because we think the CFA brings together exactly what a business like ours, a climate-focused business, needs. Expertise, networks, and of course, access to investors. We want to strengthen our investment readiness. We want to refine our strategy, and we want to connect with partners who understand the commercial and the climate impact opportunities. And we believe that they're perfect to help with that.
What has surprised you the most about the process?
Sure. I think the quality of the engagement. It's not about just funding, but it's also about building a stronger business. The level of mentorship, feedback we're getting, practical support, it's absolutely been incredible. It's been valuable, and it has helped us think a little bit more strategically about scaling our impact.
The CFA has collectively helped participating businesses secure over 2 billion Rand in finance since 2021. Is securing funding for your primary goal, or is there something else you're hoping to get out of the program?
Yeah, look, funding is obviously important. No entrepreneur is going to pretend otherwise. If somebody comes and offers me a check tomorrow, I'll certainly won't run away from it. Capital alone doesn't build a successful business. We're looking for the right, we need strategic guidance, market access, and the credibility that comes from being part of a program like the CFA. For us, success is about building a business that attracts investments because it's creating real climate and economic impact, and not just because it's good for a good pitch deck.
Now, what would you say to another entrepreneur sitting on the fence about applying to a program like the CFA?
Listen, I'll definitely encourage them to apply. I mean, even if you're not looking actively to raise capital today and maybe later or whatever, the process really helps sharpening your strategy. As I said earlier, also just strengthening your business model and prepare you for the future growth. The relationships, the insights can be just as valuable as the funding opportunities. So just do it.
And then my last question for you today, what does success look like for South Africa's green economy in 10 years? And what role do you hope your business plays in it?
I want South Africa to be known not as a country reacting to climate change, but as a country leading, through innovation. Success means cleaner cities, reliable energy, more jobs, and a green economy that delivers real prosperity for ordinary South Africans. Our ambition is very simple. It's to help accelerate this transition through clean mobility solutions that make economic sense. Because the future is not just about being greener, but it's also about building a stronger, more competitive South Africa for the next generation. I think that my key message is that climate action and economic growth are no longer separate conversations. The biggest opportunities in South Africa's green economy are businesses that can deliver both of those. And that's exactly what we at Novamoto are focused on.
That sounds amazing. I really do hope to see that in the future as well. Thank you so much for your time today. Really enjoyed the insight. I'm Kia Jacqueline with the SA Trade Desk, and we hope you check out our websites for some more insights and thought leadership posted daily.